AutoFull is back with an upgraded esports chair. Howdy guys, Ponchato here, and today we're taking a look at a sweet gaming chair. Thanks to AutoFull for sponsoring this video, and let's get started. Before we get to that, AutoFull is running a giveaway on Twitter with gaming chairs, mouse pads, and game keys up for grabs. Follow the link in the description to find out more. First, we'll look at what's in the box. Right on top is the heavy-duty metal base with a black powder coating. Under that, we have the lift lever and rocker locker, then the lumbar support pillow. An interesting detail here is that they stamp their logo into the foam. You'll never see it, but it's there. Next, we have the back of the chair, and I have the gray color scheme here. Looks nice. Next, we have the seat, which follows the same gray and black color scheme as the back, and after that, the headrest pillow. It has an elastic strap with a buckle to attach it to the chair. Under that, AutoFull has a nice assembly and usage manual with pictures, which is always handy. They also give you a pair of cotton gloves for putting it all together, mostly because the lift piston can be greasy, but I never used them. Next are the 5 casters, which attach to the 5-arm base, and next to those, the lift piston and plastic cover for it, and of course I immediately touched the greasy part. Next, the plastic covers for the backrest supports, which clip into the sides of the chair. And finally, the 2 armrests come wrapped up in foam and plastic. In fact, everything is shipped very well protected and cushioned, so you don't have to worry about anything getting damaged while shipping. Oh, and they give you a bag of hex wrenches and extra bolts in case you lose any. Nice touch. Assembly is pretty easy and only takes about 15 minutes, mostly because all the pieces are big and pretty unwieldy. The first step is to attach the casters to the base. They just pop into holes on the bottom and lock in. Next, you put the lift piston into the center of the base. Again, it just slides into place with no other securing needed. And then the plastic cover slides over the top. Next, the backrest attaches to the seat via 2 short metal arms on either side. 2 bolts secure each side, and then it's just a matter of tightening them down to fully secure the back to the seat. No part of this process is hard, it just takes a while to tighten everything down. Next up, the covers for the backrest arms snap in at the base and are held down at the top by a bolt. Again, it's easy to put it all together, it just takes a while to tighten the bolts down all the way. After that, you flip the chair over to get access to the bottom. All the necessary bolts are pre-installed here, so you'll need to remove them first. Behind the bottom cover is another AutoFull logo, by the way. They really like hiding their name everywhere. The armrests attach with 4 bolts and they are labeled left and right, so you don't have to work very hard to figure out which one goes where. After that, the tilt and rock mechanism is attached with 4 bolts. Very straightforward assembly, and the front is also labeled so you know which way to attach it. Finally, the base slides into the seat and the chair is fully assembled. Easy breezy. So the chair is really comfortable. The seat is firm but supportive, and the length from the front of the seat to the backrest is pretty much perfect for a 6-foot tall person. If the back is too far back, you can attach the lumbar pillow to reduce the gap by a few inches. You just thread the buckles between the back and the base and the other end through the openings in the back, and adjust it to wherever's comfortable. The same with the headrest. If you want the support a bit more forward, you can attach the headrest pillow at the top, which also uses an elastic buckle strap. The height can be adjusted up and down a few inches, and the chair reclines back, like really far back. Due to a traumatic experience as a child, I'm always uneasy leaning this far back in any chair, but the chair is stable. It also rocks back and has adjustable tension. If you don't want it rocking, the lift lever pushes in to lock it in place. Finally, the armrests are also height adjustable to find the most comfortable position for yourself. Because it's pretty much all pleather, it's waterproof and easy to clean. Just wipe it off. Cloth and mesh seats tend to get pretty gross in my opinion because they're hard to clean. Pleather, on the other hand, is super easy. So if you can't help but spill Mountain Dew all over yourself while gaming, this chair is a great buy. AutoFull also offers these in red and white color schemes in case gray isn't your style. Click the link in the description to pick one up for yourself. Hit subscribe and click the bell icon to get notified of new videos as soon as they're up. If you like this video, hit the like button, and I want to hear from you. Between the red, white, and gray color schemes, which do you think looks best? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, I hope I helped, and I'll see you in the next video. I don't know what to do here. Who wrote that? I did. Blah. I'm gonna sneeze. I'm not gonna sneeze. I have a pretty difficult time reading. This thing better be recording. It is. Okay, and get ready. I don't know, can't talk. Truly, a chair fit for a king. Thanks for watching. I'm out.